Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today. Yeah, with another simple but effective video. Today's video now, I'm just gonna make a easy and simple green juice that is healthy and delicious at the same time. Look, all of these fruits I'm gonna be putting into one juice. It is gonna be delicious. But before we get into that, please make sure you click that subscribe button if you want to see a regular healthy video from FadaGugs that will nourish, yeah, I said will nourish and heal the body. Go ahead, click that subscribe button. Thank you. Now, let us just talk a little bit about some of the benefits these ingredients have to offer. Apple. Apple is a popular fruit. It contains antioxidant, vitamin, and a range of other nutrients. Banana. Banana is a nutritional powerhouse. The banana packed with energy-giving carbohydrate and is also an excellent source of potassium. Kiwi, for all of you who don't know, kiwi is a small plum-sized fruit. It has brown skin and it's a little bit fuzzy or hairy. When you cut it, it's green inside. But the kiwi is well known for its high vitamin C content. And we all know vitamin C play an important role in our health. Yeah, vitamin C keep our cells healthy and many more. Spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin K, A, and vitamin C, and is also a good source of magnesium. And the pineapple. The pineapple loaded with lots of nutrients, and studies show its enzyme can ease digestion, and it also may boost immunity. So that's just a little basic information of what all of these ingredients have to offer. If you check in the description, I'll put a bit more about each one of these so you can have a look and you will understand a bit more. So as I normally said before, make sure you wash all your ingredients before you start to use it. Right here I've got about 1 cup of the baby spinach already washed. I've got 1 green apple, 1 kiwi, 1 banana, and I'm going to be using just half of the pineapple. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just pause the video for a minute. I'm going to peel the pineapple, cut off, and then I'll get back and show you. Yes, people, so I've peeled the pineapple and just cut it in some small slices. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm just going to put all the ingredients them inside the blender. Let me just push over this a bit so that you can have a see. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put the pineapple in the blender. Actually, I could cut up the pineapple a bit more. Yeah. Just drop them inside the blender. Just like that. There you go. Now, put the spinach in as well. Yep. Then with the kiwi now, I'll just peel the kiwi. You can peel the kiwi. I'll show you what the kiwi looks like. Screen inside. And if you cut the kiwi, it's got loads small seeds and so inside it. So we just drop that in the blender as well. Same with the apple. Move these out the way. Yeah, just kind of cut up the apple. Just so it's a bit easier for the blender. And next, we're going to put a banana. So, just peel the banana. Break it. And drop it in. So that's it. So I'm going to do, I'm just going to move this to the side. So you can have a better view, and then I'm going to just add my water. As I said, I'm putting about 2.5 cups of water. That's it. Then put my top on. Then we're going to blend that now. Just giving a better view of what's going on. Yep. So let's blend. Yes, people, so mixture finished blend. Oh, that smells nice. Smell nice. So what I'm gonna do now, just like I strain it. I've already got my mug. I'm a straining cloth. So all I need to do at this time now, just pour it out You know, your straining cloth. You can use a strainer if you haven't got one of these. Yep. And just lift up the cloth. Just get all that rich juice. Whoa. Just get all of that rich juice. Smell amazing. Just squeeze it until everything come out. A nice, rich, thick juice. I'll go ahead and finish squeeze this, and then I'll come back to you. Yes, people, I've already squeezed it, so this is the final product. Yep, so there you have it. Nice, healthy green juice. So please to make sure say you hit that subscribe button again. Turn on your post notification so you can be the first of many whenever time FadaGugs post a new video. And give me a thumbs up, a like, and you can also share this video with your friends and family. So for now, FadaGugs is out.